Middle Tennessee, southern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Grundy County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of McMinnville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Spencer around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Viola, Morrison, and Fall Creek Falls State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, northeastern Madison County in north central Alabama, southwestern Franklin County in middle Tennessee, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Huntsville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located near Rhythm, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, public. At 4:55 p.m., hail to the size of quarters was reported in the medical district of Huntsville. Medical district of Huntsville. Hail to the size at 4:54 p.m. Hail to the size of impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Huntsville, Morris Mill, Huntland, Skyline, Gearley, Alabama A&M University, New Market, Hightalk, Jericho, and Larkin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my god! Triple headers! Severe thunderstorms for days!
The National Weather Service
Hashtag whoa!
severe thunderstorm warning for central Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Grundy County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Manchester, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, emergency management.
Oh!
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
That's rare as well!
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, Morrison, Hillsborough, Summitville, and Arnold Air Force Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.